How to send money to someone on Woodforest National Bank. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. Start by moving into any of the web browser and then move into the official site of Woodforest National Bank. Once you're in this official page, at the top left corner, you will be able to see the option of login. Click on it and then enter your login credential and log into a specific account. Once you've been logged in, it will land you on this page. At the top right corner, click on Send Money. Now, if the contact of the person has already been added, then you can simply select from Contacts. If not, then tap on Add. Fill up the contact information of the person that you want to send the money. Once you have entered all the information, tap on Submit. Once the contact has been added, you can see the option of Send Money. Click on it. Now choose the account from where you want to send the money and then select the date, enter the amount that you want to send, and then note to the recipient. Once you have entered, tap on Review. Once the review is done, click on Schedule a Payment. There you go. The payment has been scheduled successfully. Now when you reach the delivery date, the money will be sent to this person and then you'll be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.